Hi, everyone. Great to see you again. Imagine walking into a fancy bar for the very first time. A little nervous, right? Today's customer feels exactly that way. You'll learn useful expressions for ordering drinks and chatting with staff. Let's enjoy this one together.
Hi, is it okay to sit here?
Of course. Welcome in.
Thanks. This place looks so nice.
Thanks. First time here?
Yes, actually, my first time at a bar.
Oh, really? No worries at all.
I don't know much about cocktails.
That's totally fine. I can help.
That's so sweet. What do you recommend?
Well, what flavors do you like?
I like sweet and fruity things.
Got it. Sweet and fruity.
Is there a menu I can look at?
Sure. Here you go.
Wow, there are so many options.
Yeah, we have about 30 cocktails.
Oh my, I can't decide at all.
No rush. Take your time.
What's the most popular one?
The mojito is a favorite here.
Mojito? What's in it?
Rum, lime, mint, sugar, and soda.
That sounds refreshing.
It is very light and easy to drink.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, a little sweet and minty.
I'll try that one then.
Great choice. Coming right up.
How long does it take to make?
Just a couple of minutes.
Oh, that's fast.
Here you go. One mojito.
It looks so pretty.
Give it a try.
This is really good.
Glad you like it.
It's sweet and fruity, just like I wanted.
Nice. That's what we aim for.
Do all cocktails taste this good?
Well, each one is different.
What's your favorite cocktail?
Honestly, I like an old-fashioned.
What's that like?
It's strong. Whiskey with a bit of sugar.
Oh, that sounds too strong for me.
Yeah, it's not for beginners.
I'll stick with fruity ones for now.
Smart move. Want to try something else?
Sure. What else is sweet?
How about a pina colada?
Pina colada? That sounds tropical.
It is. Coconut and pineapple.
Oh my gosh, I love pineapple.
Then you'll definitely like it.
Can I order one after this?
Of course, whenever you're ready.
By the way, how strong is it?
Not very. It's light and smooth.
That's a relief.
We can make it lighter too.
Really? You can adjust it?
Yeah, just ask for less alcohol.
That's so nice to know.
We want everyone to enjoy their drink.
I'm almost done with my mojito.
Ready for the pina colada?
Yes, please.
Coming right up.
I'm so excited to try it.
Here you go, pina colada.
It looks like a tropical vacation.
Ha! That's a great way to put it.
This is amazing too.
Nice. Glad you're enjoying it.
I can't pick a favorite now.
That's a good problem to have.
Do you have any non-alcoholic ones?
Yeah, we call those mocktails.
Mocktails. That's a cute name.
Same flavors, just no alcohol.
I should tell my friends about this place.
That'd be great. Bring them anytime.
Do you have any snacks too?
Yeah, we have fries and nachos.
Oh, nachos sound perfect right now.
Want me to bring some?
Yes, please. I'm getting a bit hungry.
Sure thing. Give me a minute.
This has been such a great experience.
Happy to hear that.
I was so nervous before I came in.
You seem totally comfortable now.
I really am, thanks to you.
Just doing my job. Glad you had fun.
I'll definitely come back again.
You're always welcome here.
How much is the total?
The pina colada is on the house.
On the house? No way. Really?
Yeah, for first-time visitors. Enjoy.
That's so generous. Thank you so much.
Don't mention it. Have a great night.
Hey, friends. Great to see you again. It's Katie. Have you ever bought movie tickets in English? It can feel a little tricky at first.
Today you'll hear a real conversation between a customer and a friendly theater staff. Listen for handy phrases like, "What time works for you?" and "I'll take those."
Let's learn these expressions together.
Hi, I'd like to buy some tickets.
Sure. What movie are you looking for?
What's popular right now?
The Last Summer is really popular this week.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What's it about?
It's a romantic comedy. Pretty fun.
I love romantic comedies. Perfect.
Nice. How many tickets do you need?
2 tickets, please.
Got it. 2 tickets for The Last Summer.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Let me check the show times.
What times are available today? What times are available today?
We have 2:30, 5 o'clock, and 7:30.
Which one do you recommend?
The 5 o'clock show has the best seats left.
Oh, really? Then 5 o'clock sounds good.
Good choice. It's not too crowded then.
That's great. I don't like crowded theaters.
Same here, honestly. It's better that way.
Do you have any seats in the middle?
Let me check. Yeah, row F looks good.
How about F7 and F8?
Those are available, right in the center.
Perfect. I'll take those.
Nice pick. Best view in the house.
Really? That makes me so happy.
Yeah, row F is the sweet spot.
Oh, I didn't know that. Good to know.
Now, would you like any snacks?
Oh, yes. What do you have?
Popcorn, nachos, and hot dogs.
What size popcorn do you have?
Small, medium, and large.
How much is the large popcorn?
The large is $8.
That's a bit expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, but it comes with free refills.
Oh, free refills. That's worth it then.
Definitely. Most people get the large.
Okay, 1 large popcorn, please.
Sure. Anything to drink?
What drinks do you have?
Coke, Sprite, iced tea, and lemonade.
I'll have a lemonade, please.
Good choice. What size?
Medium is fine.
Got it. 1 medium lemonade.
Actually, make that 2 lemonades.
Oh, 2? No problem.
My friend loves lemonade too.
Nice. You're all set for drinks then.
Wait. Do you have nachos too?
Yeah. Nachos with cheese. $5.
That sounds so good. Add 1, please.
Sure. Nachos added.
I always eat too much at the movies.
Don't worry. Everyone does.
That makes me feel better.
So, let me go over your order.
Yes, please.
2 tickets, large popcorn, 2 lemonades, nachos.
That's right. How much is everything?
Let me calculate. That'll be $32.
32? Okay, not bad.
Do you want to pay by card or cash?
Card, please. Do you take all cards?
Yeah, Visa, MasterCard, everything.
Great. Here's my card.
Thanks. Just tap it right here.
Like this?
Yeah, perfect. Payment done.
Oh, that was easy.
Here are your tickets.
Thank you. Which way is the theater?
Go straight and turn left. Theater 3.
Theater 3. Got it.
The movie starts at 5 sharp.
What time should we go in?
You can go in around 4:45.
Oh, so we still have some time.
Yeah, about 20 minutes. No rush.
Should I pick up snacks now or later?
Pick them up now. It gets busy later.
Good idea. I'll do that.
Your snacks will be ready in a minute.
Wow, that's fast.
We try to be quick. Here you go.
Oh, the popcorn smells amazing.
Yeah, it's fresh. Just made it.
I can't wait to eat this.
Ha! Save some for the movie.
I'll try. No promises, though.
Fair enough. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. That's what I'm here for.
You've been really helpful.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Okay, we should head in now.
Sure. Theater 3, on your left.
Got it. Thanks again.
Have a great time. Enjoy.